Well, we're honored that LifeLong Brookside has locations in both cities of San Pablo and Richmond.
This is an annual event. It moves between San Pablo and Richmond. It serves all of West Contra Costa County, and we're delighted and thrilled, and we really want to thank everyone who helped make this event a great event for all the volunteer agencies and all the people that are networking together through LifeLong Brookside Community Health Center to bring this event right here to San Pablo. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce Marty Lynch. He is the CEO of LifeLong Medical Center, and he has been one of the people that's been instrumental in helping make a transition and a complete smooth cooperation, coordination effort between the old Brookside Community Health Center and the new LifeLong Center. Thank you, Marty.
Sobre todo, deseo dar a todos ustedes la bienvenida a este evento hoy por parte de LifeLong y Brookside Healthy Living Fair, una feria aquí para la buena vida de todos nosotros aquí. Ella ha introducido a Marty Lynch, que es el administrador ejecutivo de esta nueva mesa de LifeLong. Aquí está Marty. Un aplauso, por favor, para que sepan.
Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, John. And LifeLong Medical Care came out of the great Panthers many years ago, who founded the Over 60 Health Center back in the 1970s. Nowadays, LifeLong runs clinics from East Oakland through Berkeley and now into Richmond. And we thought if we worked together, we could get better services, stronger services, more services for the whole community, from West Contra Costa down through Berkeley, Richmond. But especially we could improve services in West Contra Costa, building off what Brookside had been doing for years. So we're proud to be here today and appreciate you being here to look at all the healthy activities, the farmers market, the yoga classes, all the good stuff about how we take care of ourselves. Of course, during the week, we're busy offering medical care and dental care and those kinds of professional services. But today, it's all about being healthy.
Hello, hello, how's everybody doing? Woo! Yes! LifeLong Brookside. I am so excited to be here and so very excited to see all of you. We want to encourage you to come and visit us and ask us questions, anything that you want about the new merger, because this is for us to strengthen the services that we provide to you. So thank you so much. So I'm going to go ahead and actually ask to have some of the elected officials come and make some presentations and give us some brief announcements. So I'm going to first start with the Congressman George Miller's office, Latresa Alford. She's always been so supportive, and we're so happy to be working with her. Give her a hand.
So LifeLong Brookside is one reason why George supports them, because they supply quality care to residents in this area. I had the pleasure of attending several weeks ago the graduation for the health promoters, many of them who are here. Health promoters, raise your hands again. And so I also want to urge each and every one of you to contact LifeLong Brookside to find out how you can become a health promoter.
Well, I'm so glad that LifeLong and Brookside are together, because both are very strong community-based organizations that offer really important services, and together they're stronger. So now I know Brookside will thrive, and LifeLong's a great partner.
All right, so first, give a hand to all those wonderful people at the tables, because they're here to improve all of our health, right? And it is great to keep Brookside Clinic in our community, and it's great to see them merge with LifeLong Medical. They're a great group, and they've merged, so it's the same great Brookside Clinic with the same great people, but just even more of it. LifeLong was founded by the Gray Panthers as the Over 60 Health Clinic many years ago, back in the 1970s, as a way to get good, solid health care to older people who did not have access to it. Over the years, though, we serve all ages of people, from moms and kids through adults to older people. We feel like together, as a larger organization and a more sophisticated organization, we can get more and better services to residents of West Contra Costa County. We can also improve what we do all up and down between Richmond, San Pablo, Berkeley, Oakland. We think our services will improve by being part of the same organization.
LifeLong's setup here has really provided us a great opportunity to get out to the community. This is actually the most that I've ever heard of doing at an event before. So it's a very, very big success. But we get people to come over there, they can talk to our pharmacist, and our pharmacist can give them advice, tell them if they need to see a doctor, tell them exactly what the readings mean. And I think it's really important for us to come out into community events like this and provide some kind of service to the community.
I work for Supervisor John Joya, District 1, and LifeLong Brookside is one of our extended arms in this community. And this is something I always participate in helping them create and get whatever they need to have done in the community. LifeLong has been a great part of history for me and my family. My mother was on the first board. So this is a very meaningful position to be able to contribute in assisting in making this program successful.
It's a fantastic event to get people out thinking about healthy food, healthy behaviors. There's so much we can do as medical professionals to help people with their health. But at the end of the day, what you do at home is so much more important. And what you do with your life, whether it be exercise or healthy food, that's really important to your health.
I think LifeLong Brookside, it's very important. It's part of the community, and I think it's very important.